Good morning, good afternoon, Merry Christmas, Gunners! Vicky and Buddy here. Yep. We're doing a vlog today, and we're going to Tri-State Motorsports. And it's time to get Vicky some gifts for his loyalty and his hard work into the Guncast. So we're going there tomorrow. We're going there right now, and we're gonna get some stuff for the RSX. He talking about dress-up parts. I'm talking about intake manifold. I'm talking about intake manifold. He want to go get dress-up parts. Big shout out to the Norbies, man. Look what they sent us. Show them. This vlog. Pull it to the camera.
I'm trying.
Pull it to the camera, boss. Look at that. Love you guys. This is dope. This is dope. That's awesome. All right, guys. Sit back and enjoy. Merry Christmas one more time. Merry Christmas. You're watching this on Christmas Day. I hope you're with your families. I hope you're having a great time. But most importantly, I hope you're gunning. Let's go. Guncast is sponsored by
nobody.
Oh man, it's so dark. I can't get. I think Lefty pressed something on this camera, so it goes light to dark. I'm still trying to figure it out, but I know I'm moving the ISO. It's at 100 right now. Let's see if I press auto. Oh, there it is. A little bit better. Yeah, but then auto gets too bright. You see that? Whatever. I'll figure it out. We're currently about, I say, 20 minutes shy of Tri-State Motorsports. Do some shopping. Get Vicky Mosh them right. Vicky them Buddy. Look how bright that is. That sucks. I don't know. Somebody give us a suggestion in the comments on what I do with this camera. It's a Canon M50. What is it? I don't know. One of these things. Be there in a little bit.
Of course, yes.
Oh, it's the Mad Max truck. It's the Mad Max truck, Vicky. Yo, this is the Mad Max truck.
What the fuck?
This is Mad Max's truck.
Get the front. I don't think there's a hood on the front.
Oh my God, this should look bananas, huh? Look at this. She got skull. Oh, this shit is hard, man. She got the Mad Max rig, man. That's hard. Yo, he's ready for the zombie apocalypse, man. Chemtrails. All right, we're sitting here in the truck, me and Vicky, and we're having a conversation. Vicky says when 6ix9ine comes out, he is going to do well. I believe the same thing. Vic says the only thing he can't do is talk gangster shit. I said I agree. He's gonna attack the women. You know, not attack the women, but attack that fan base of women. I honestly think this guy's gonna break records when he gets out. Nobody cares if you snitch or not, man. The street codes have changed. You know what I mean?
No, they're still the same. These niggas are changing.
Yeah. All right. So the street codes are the same as, you know, not the tattletale, not the snitch, but I don't know.
He's going bubble. I'm saying an easy 20 million first year.
Yeah, I think he's gonna probably get somewhere around $500,000 to $1 million an interview. I don't know. Yeah. Comment below. Let us know what you think about this topic, this subject. But I honestly think he's gonna bubble, man. I think he's gonna go #1 on the Billboard again. He's gonna go on that rant. That dude, Hamburglar.
But
DJ Academic's gonna support him.
Does he need any features? He ain't gonna get none.
Well, honestly, that's a loss for them. I mean, I understand people are not going to want to do music with him because he snitched, But there's a lot of people that don't believe in these codes of the street, that believe that they're myths, and they're worried about money and record sales and providing for their families. Me being a rapper, I'm not doing a feature with them, because that means everything I ever rapped about is fraudulent, because I'm over here on a track with a dude that put a lot of people away, and not for nothing, he instigated a lot of problems too.
He damn sure did. He was funny. He was very entertaining.
Nah, it was entertaining, but he's a fuckboy. I don't know. What do you think, guys? You think 6ix9ine's gonna be hot or not? Comment below. And we are here at Tri-State. Going to the front today. Going to the front. What you got your eyes on for
Sex toys. They gotta have some car part sex toys in here.
This is unbelievable. Beyond me. No smoking in here, buddy. There's no smoking in here, buddy. Alright, let's fix this lighting here. What'd we do? What'd we do? Squad. Squad goals. Squad. My boys are loaded. Look at these guys. My boys are loaded. Look at Christmas Eve. They're here. That Lionel's brother?
Yeah, can't you tell?
Yeah, identical.
That nigga's
What's up, my
twin.
boy?
What's up,
Nice
bro?
shirt.
Hello,
I like that company.
Appreciate you, man.
Hello, Merry Christmas, everyone. What's up, guys? What's going on? What's up? How you doing, beautiful?
What's up, brother?
I seen they caught you on the shitter.
Yep.
That's some embarrassing stuff. This is where the boss sits and just takes care of all the bills. You guys want to see how much a Greddy turbo kit costs? I'll show you right now. All right, boys, here's the deal. Vicky has an open credit with me. He is going to buy stuff for his RSX, and I brought my blue card.
Nice.
So you're going to charge me. Who's taking care of him? This handsome fella, this handsome fella, this handsome fella, or the most handsome fella?
The most.
There it
The
is.
most. How about the guy in the banana shirt?
I called him handsome, man. Oh, nice hat. No, let me zoom in on that gold. Turn the other way, man. Other way. Oh, yeah, you joined. You joined. You joined. Vicky, what you getting? 366 turbos, whatever this called?
Yeah.
Motec exhaust?
Motec, Haltech, Caltech. I want all the techs.
All the techs, man. Get my man all the techs, man. Seriously, what you got your eye on? You want to go performance for the RS6, or you want to go dress up?
I might do a little bit of both.
You might do a little bit of both. Oh, man. Yeah, because your budget is crazy. Tri-State Motorsports, my friends. Tri-State Motorsports. I can't emphasize more on everything being in stock. This is their OEM section here. Reach out to these guys, man. Speak to Danny, speak to Lionel, speak to Bobby on the phone. They work out deals. They carry everything. They try to stock everything so you don't have to wait. I am trying to tell Vicky to get maybe like a skunk manifold and throttle body and just performance stuff. I really like to see his RSX get a little faster. So he also wants to get some dress up things. So we'll see how that goes. All right, so what do you got in stock for RSX K20 head? You have the what?
I got the Ultra manifolds. I got it in black. I got them in silver. If you want the street one, don't carry much of the street ones anymore because everybody's now jumping to the Ultras. But you got one street one there. If you want black, silver, I got the adapters. If you want to put the 2-liter spacer or the 1-liter spacer, I have those too.
Now the thing is, on the RSX, I don't know if we could use
Clearance-wise.
Yeah, so we
That's
might
why you
have to
probably
go
could
with the
use the
street.
street.
So we'll grab that street one, Vicky.
I've seen guys do it, but they'd have to cut. You know?
Yeah, no, I don't want him to
Others
cut.
cut.
Yeah, I don't want him to cut. So we'll go with that, and then we need
Oh,
a nice.
is this an open box too?
Probably.
Come on, man.
Open box special, man.
We
Don't
need
worry about it.
we need a throttle body too. Something good, something that's not gonna stick, Danny. Pause.
Pause. Alright, so the it's not gonna stick.
God damn, 4-piston. That's a nice shirt, man.
See that, man?
Sheesh. So what's the diameter on the street one?
The diameter on the street one, I think it's
probably like a
it's 70 or
72, right?
Yeah.
All right, so
They got a K272 here, and they're actually pretty affordable too.
yeah. All right, so then here, Vicky, we'll get you the 72 there. Man, this lighting sucks. Bear with me, guys. I'm trying to help. All right, a little better. Okay. So we don't need an adapter. That bolts right on. He has all his sensors from the old throttle body.
That
So
one I don't think need a
let me
I
see.
think that one bolts right up. That one doesn't need an adapter.
let's just make sure.
Yeah, that one bolts up right up to an RB.
Oh, yeah, that bolts right up.
Has
Yeah,
the
you're
bolt
good.
patterns.
they're good to go. So that throttle body, the Street Skunk Ultra, and what else you thinking about getting, Vicky Mosh them, buddy? You look happy already. You look happy. Look at you. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Look at my thumbnail. Smile for the thumbnail. So rear lowers for.
This is oh, you need fronts.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, but who makes
Oh,
that?
fronts. I got fronts here. What year? Which year you got? I got it right here.
Oh, 04, yeah, front K-tuned. Yep.
Use that. You want to take a look at them?
Yeah, I want to look at it.
Yeah, I definitely think that's a good upgrade. Like front lower control arm. Is that a hardened bushing?
Yeah, it's a hardened.
That's
yeah.
perfect. That's perfect. Because you know the RSXs, they really suffer from that wheel hop.
Fuck the big ass arm.
This is dope.
Nice.
No, I like that. This
Yeah.
is nice.
Nice. That's definitely a good upgrade.
Yeah, all right.
Take that. We're back here and we're talking, and the guys at Tri-State Motorsports came up with a crazy idea. So they're moving to a bigger facility. So what they're thinking, is it next month? Somewhere around next month?
Like the next 4 months.
Within the next 4 months, what they're planning on doing is having a blowout sale. Now, what that means is they're going to allow up to 5 to 10 people back here. So you shop back here, and if you want these, they're basically going to give them to you at a ridiculous price or even cost on certain items. So what they want to do is they want to flood this inventory out. They want to do a blowout sale, and they want to have less things to move over to the new facility, and they're just going to reorder everything brand new from these different manufacturers. So let me know what you guys think about that, because it's a great opportunity to damn near rob this place, but not get in trouble for it, right or wrong. I swear to God.
Literally.
Yeah, like not get in trouble for it. But let me know what you guys think in the comments about that. So basically, like, Vic will be in here right now, and he'll literally shop around. He's got $1,000 in his pocket. He'll try to grab whatever he needs, and then they'll deal with, you know, Bobby, Lionel, Jonathan, Danny, and then you guys will basically control how much you pay, and they're probably going to give certain things away at cost too. All right, Vicky, moment of truth here on your Escapade. I can't believe you just bought this. You got an open credit. You get arms, throttle body, and the intake manifold.
You want me to get more?
No. That's it. No. We get this guy. My boy's gonna bless us, man. He's gonna take care of us.
Got you, Poppy.
Tri-State, baby. All right, Danny, what do you got? How much owe you?
I got a total of $14.55 for everything.
There you go.
Let me get
Swipey.
that.
Merry Christmas, Vicky.
Video?
Yeah, you and all. All right, guys, we're gonna wrap this video up here because we're not gonna bore you with B-roll on the ride home. So, what happened today? We purchased some stuff for Vicky. Now, why did we do that? We want to keep loyal friends happy. Vic does a good job helping me with the Guncast. It's our thing. It's collective. He has no association in getting any money from the YouTube channel. In all actuality, the Guncast makes about $26 to $27 a video. So it's not life-changing money. So I'm doing well on the merchandise side. I help out the community as much as I can. And at the same time, I want to help out one of my closest friends. So the moral of the story is keep good friends happy. That's what it's all about. So with that being said, we are going to conclude this vlog. But before we do that, I'd like to wish all of you, Vicky would like to wish all of you, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, guys. God bless you. God bless all your families. 2020 is going to be a great year. 2020 is going to be an amazing year. Speak it into existence. No negativity. There is no bad thoughts about 2020. So I hope all of you guys are heading into the new year with that mentality that nothing can get in the way of gunners. That's it. So I'm out of here, guys. I love you. Thank you so much for supporting me. Please like the video, comment, subscribe, and that's it. Keep gunning.
Tell me what I got.
Merry Christmas.
You show 'em what I got?
Yeah, I showed them what you got.
You did?
Yeah, you got an intake. All right, so before we wrap up the video, I was on a good outro there.
It was.
You got a Skunk 2 manifold, He's got a 72 millimeter K-Tune throttle body. He got lower control arm hardened bushings from K-Tune. Anything else?
Nah, the rest of the stuff they didn't have.
The rest of the stuff, obviously.
I had to order it.
Yeah, he has to order it. But huge thank you to Tri-State Motorsports. I'll put their link in the bio.
Yes.
Again,
Yo, they got a lot of shit in that warehouse. Now you can wrap it up.
can I wrap it up?
Yeah.
All right, guys. Merry Christmas. Keep gunning for me and Vicky them.